Contractor Plus app estimate and invoice maker CRM is for handyman companies and or 50 categories of home service contractors. Whether you do home remodeling, general handyman work, painting, drywall, roofing, plumbing, electrical, flooring, HVAC, lawn care, Contractor Plus app makes your life easier and your business more profitable. Itemized estimates that wow clients. Contractor Plus offers branded construction estimates and invoices that are itemized with photos for each line item tasks. Send invoices, collect payments, win more home remodeling jobs with home owner financing. And yeah, you can get all your supplies in one tip. So let's just install it. If you sometimes need this work with you, Contractor Plus, impress your clients, grow your business, save time, secure your business, get organized. And then here you can just see how it looks like. Then you just need to go and actually create free account, sign up with Google or Apple or just with email, so you can try to do it. All right, so you need to create an account first. So that's you can only sign in with Apple or Google, but basically that's where you get started, and then that's just how you proceed.